What's up? What's up? This is Governor Wildstar out here in Fresno, doing my best that I can on National Homeless Day to help those in need. I have what's your name?
Regina Moreno.
I have Regina Moreno here, who is out here staying on the street in this establishment here, hidden behind a bush. It's nice and discreet. It's actually off the sidewalk, which is extremely surprising because a lot of the complaint out here, Regina, is that the homeless people aren't really trying to keep the neighborhoods clean. So
that's not true.
It's not.
We recycle. We pick up a lot of their trash in the streets and everything. A lot of plastic bottles, all that stuff, and glass bottles we pick up from the street.
Oh wow, okay.
So they can't say that. But you know, there are some that go in the trash cans and make messes. I'm not one of them.
So you're actually going out there to help clean up the neighborhoods, if anything.
Yeah,
you know, you're doing
and
the best that you
I show them
can.
love and respect. I've been out here for 5 years. I've been raised in a house. I don't choose to be out in the streets.
Right.
I don't choose this life, and neither does my oldest son. I have 7 kids. 5 of them are working at an ice cream shop down the street. One of them lives in Sacramento, California. He graduated just barely from Sacramento University. He's an engineer.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so I have
You have 7 kids?
I have 7 kids. One of them, the oldest one, who was a hard worker, worked for the same company. He's in the street. He got robbed in Oakland by gunpoint and inflicted some wounds. So he walks around talking to himself. He's really, it's scary. It's like that Skid Row syndrome from LA, hit back in the 50s, 60s. It's called Skid Row, where they skid row you, you hear voices and all that.
Oh yeah.
My uncle was done that way. I don't know how, but you really do hear voices and talk to yourself.
Oh yeah.
You're really talking to someone, because you know the spy gear and all that, the nanny cameras, they're like little pins.
Well, yeah, I believe a lot in radio frequencies. Oh yeah, it's a lot of radio frequencies out there.
We're not talking to ourselves. They put that stuff in our ears. When we go to the doctor or hospital or whatever, they put spy gear in us, and so we're talking to them, and then they make us like the sonogram on a bat. We start listening to them. They program us to listen to them and to talk for them, and they make us scream and shout in the middle of the street, running, because that's how they program our brain, like mental telepathy. So
do you think they're doing something to?
Yeah, I believe that.
Harm those people that are dealing with mental issues?
Yeah, I believe in my heart. If you look it up, you will. If you research it, you will see when this was starting.
Yeah.
Okay.
I did want to ask you a question because, like I said, I'm doing this video so a lot of the people can see how the people in Fresno that are homeless are actually dealing with the situation. You know.
If you look at the homeless, we don't want to live out here like that. We're blackballed from the houses. We're blackballed from the neighborhoods. We're blackballed from any of the establishment, and we get that spy gear put in us. If you look at all the homeless people out here, we all talk to ourselves. We do not wish to be this way.
Yeah.
They did us this way, and that's all that we can say. I'll probably die for this.
Oh no, don't
but
it is a matter of targeting. I do believe that.
What people would like to live this way.
Exactly.
And that's the truth. The neighborhood people, some of them, a lot of them don't understand us. But if you look at Miss Judge's video, August the 28th, Let's Talk TV, August the 28th, a mini-series.
Yeah, you did say you were on video.
And sons and mother's son, Christ for House.
Okay. And that's with whom again? Tell everybody out there. What's the video again?
It's Let's Talk TV, bullying.
Let's Talk TV.
Mini-series, a mother-son Christ per house.
Oh, wow. All right, you guys got to look that up. And who made that video?
Who made that video? Miss Dudley was a worker at Fresno Unified, and they canceled her 10-year contract. So watch out what you print.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Well, I'm independent, so they can't take my money away. Speaking of money.
But they could blackball you and put your kids on this kind of system.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure.
It's not, it's scary.
Speaking of money, I wanted to ask you something because, you know, I do want to help those in need, and I wanted to give you something. So I wanted to ask you a quick question.
Okay.
Do you know, have you ever heard of a cash splash?
No.
No?
No.
All right. Well, if you...
Oh, don't tell me I'm going to get a cash splash.
If you say the word cash splash...
Cash splash?
What? Cash splash! Yeah! Go ahead, Regina. It's all for you.
Hey, that's a lot of money.
I'm very happy to help you. All right. Wonderful. There she is.
I'm going through that machine catching. Thank you. God bless you.
Oh, my pleasure. God bless you, my friend.
God
And
bless
peace to
you.
you. And just
God bless you.
let everybody out there know that they need to do something that they can to help those in need.
Always believe in God. God gets us back together.
Yes, absolutely.
Don't give up.
Don't ever give
no
up.
No matter what you're doing, even if you're on your deathbed, always believe God.
Exactly.
That's what's going to lead us
Amen
back.
to that. God bless me, and I'm just passing those blessings on to you.
All
So,
right,
again,
thank you.
God bless you, my
Now I
friend.
can go eat.
Oh, please do. Eat as much
Peace.
as you can. Peace.
Peace.
God bless you guys, and much love
Okay.
to you.